Pantry, and today, I got another garden update. So I did a few things this week and things have grown and evolved, and now I'm making some decisions on what I'm going to do next out there. And so I wanted to take you along for another little garden update like I always do. And this 2020 garden is beautiful. So let me take you out there and I'll show you what's going on. And don't forget, guys, if you're not a subscriber, I hope you subscribe and hit like on the button and maybe even share it on your Facebook page or your other social media to send new people over to my channel. I appreciate it. Anyway, okay, let me know what you're doing in your garden in the comment section below. What's your favorite thing to grow? Mine, I think, is tomatoes. We'll see. All right, let's go outside. All right, so let's go outside and see. Oh, look at the little flower pot I put together. Isn't it beautiful? I just absolutely love it. I've got bacopa, some petunias, and these here are my favorite. Look how gorgeous, that deep dark purple with the edging. It's beautiful. And I got some of the green that'll cascade down. I've got to get that watered, but it's just so sweet. I love it on my table. I've got one more. I'm gonna put that lettuce in, and there's some more Swiss chard. I got to get those planted today. But so look at how much stuff has grown, and I've done a little bit of something different. So okay, so the beans are coming up, the pole beans on both sides. They should be getting ready to start trellising. The onions are doing fantastic, big old long tops. And then we have radishes. Look at these beautiful radishes in there, and they are delicious. Big yum. Okay, tomatoes. This one is the one that already has tomatoes on it. Oop, I just pulled up a radish. Whoopsie. Tomatoes. That's okay, I'll eat that, no problem. Okay. These plants are coming up pretty good. I mean, they're doing awesome. More onions. Now these are the yellow onions. The other ones are red, for those of you that haven't been here. Straw babies. I had strawberries yesterday. I cut back all the runners. In there I've got a couple ripe ones. Look at that. Aren't they beautiful? And they are so sweet when you let them ripen on the vine. Nothing like it. The store cannot compare. So here's how good the lettuce is doing, and this is Butter Crunch, and looks like there's one oddball in there, but I'll eat it. Romaine, Swiss chard. I'm gonna pull the Swiss chard. They want to bolt on me, so I'm gonna go ahead and pull it and plant something in its place, and I haven't decided. My dill is about 5.5 feet tall. That's a volunteer, and it's all head, it's gone to head or flowering, and I'm gonna let the seeds scatter. Dill, you never have to replant it if you have it. This bed, radishes again, and tomatoes, beautiful. My herbs, they're not doing that great. I'm not sure what's going on here. Ooh, there's a ladybug, a little tiny ladybug in there, a little baby. Anyway, the rosemary's doing good. The basil is not. And this is the romaine. Now, I cut this off completely, and that's what's grown back out of the bottom. So that one I will cut off, and I'll probably use the heart of the romaine, not the outer leaves. And there's celery and parsley in there. Just beautiful. Peppers. The peppers are coming right along. I've got some little baby peppers in there. Yeah, a couple of them are getting with it. And these are serrano and ancho chili peppers. And garlic chives. Some succulents. And these are the Oregon spring tomatoes. They stay pretty small, but they produce a ton of really, really delicious tomatoes. So my habaneros and green onions, little green onions coming up. Over here, these are green onions that I just took the root end like that and stuck it in the ground. And that's what you get. You get a green onion, you can cut those tops. I've got cilantro, another butter crunch lettuce, delicious. I pulled the Swiss chard out of here and I planted butter crunch and a crispy leaf lettuce, which is here, these pots. So tomatillos, and this is a pak choy. So by the time that matures and pull it, the tomatillos will be big enough. Cucumbers there in the back, snacking cucumbers, and another cayenne chili pepper plant. So 4 tomatillos, 2 cucumbers, salad cucumbers. I'm going to pull the spinach because, as you can see, there's no way to keep up with. I'll pull it all, pick all the good leaves off, and I can saute spinach. This is the Napa Cabbage. It's kind of an experiment. I've used some of the leaves in salad, and in stir fry. So I don't know if it's going to form a big head or not. Tomato. I think I counted. I have 18 tomato plants. How'd that happen? I put 1 in here and 1 there. Those are patios in the pots. The big squash plant is the delicata squash, some more lettuce. And then we've got acorn squash in the center, and this is yellow crookneck over here. So they don't overcrowd, I will definitely keep the leaves trimmed back on that yellow squash. And Shotzi's searching the neighborhood. Okay, I'm going to come down here. We have more Swiss chard, and when I pull the chard, again, I'll take the leaves off and use it. My rhubarb is ready. So, yeah, this Swiss chard went to seed too. Because look how big and beautiful that is. Just, so the rhubarb, oh yeah, we got big stalks on the outer edges. We'll get that. And next year I'll be dividing this rhubarb plant and putting in another, you divide them. You cut through the root and divide it and plant it. So I'm going to pull that out as well. All right, guys.